Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add background blur on a photo. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. Then open your quick selection tool. Now use these bracket keys to resize your brush. Then brush over the person or the object. Now press and hold Alt and brush over the unwanted areas to remove them. If you want to check your selection, then press Q to check it. If you're not satisfied with your selection, then press Q again and start selection again. When you're satisfied with your selection, then click on Refine Edge. Now brush over the hairs. Now press and hold Alt and brush over the unwanted areas to remove them. Now increase the smooth slider as you like. Also increase the feather slider as you like. Then click OK. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to make your selection invert. Now click on Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Now increase the radius slider as you like to adjust the blur. Then click OK. Now as you guys can see, we have added a background blur in a photo. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.